In our other videos about TextBlaze Autopilot, you learned how to quickly fill out web forms using keystroke emulation and repeat commands. These tools are enough to handle most situations, but some forms can be a bit more challenging. What if I want to choose an item from the middle of a huge drop-down menu? And what about this multiple choice grid? You'll be happy to know that TextBlaze Autopilot can handle them with ease. First, let's see what that looks like. You'll notice that this time TextBlaze emulated key presses to skip to specific letters. As for the grid, TextBlaze went directly to the radio buttons and clicked them. Now let me show you how it's done. This is the first part of my snippet, with the text that I want to insert in the first text field of the form. Let's add a tab key press to move to the next section, which is the drop-down menu, followed by a short delay to give the form enough time to load its data. Now, we want to pick Malta from the drop-down menu. We can emulate the key press for the letter M, which will take us to the entries starting with that letter. Let's add the other letters too, to make sure we're getting exactly the choice we want. Time to try it out. For the next stage, we can use the click command together with the selector tool to click specific points in our web form. It's super easy to set up. And here are the commands for the other two choices. Let's see it in action. If you'd like to learn more, we've got detailed guides, FAQ pages, a great community, and a support team to answer your questions.